Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, IELTS Band 9. Today's lesson is about how to get Band 9 in listening section. There are 4 sections in the listening test, and each section will have some strategies and techniques to be able to get Band 9. It is very possible and it is very easy to do so. Let's begin. I'm going to share one of those British Council websites. This website, IELTS-Exam.net, is a free website that is launched by British Council, and you will see updated tests, the official tests that are happening, but they're outdated in reality, so they just launch it and then upload it in here. So more than welcome to educate yourself. You can improve your vocabulary by clicking on Vocabulary for IELTS. This is one of those websites, so gradually make sure that you subscribe my videos and share it with your partners. Gradually, I will introduce you different websites that are the official websites for the IELTS test. So you can educate yourself with how to write a report vocabulary. If you're taking the test for the general module, you're more than welcome to educate yourself with the vocabulary for the letter and so on and so forth. For the listening section, you need to know vocabulary. So what I suggest the students to do always is to review these words and then make sure that you learn one lesson every day. For example, if you're writing a report, before I continue with the listening section, you can read the sample report and you can learn the vocabulary. As for the first part of the listening section, section 1, the technique is you always listen to the end of the conversation before you decide what answer is correct, because the speakers is always the continuation of a conversation between 2 people, not more than 2 people for section 1, and then they change the answers in section 1. So more than one time practice every day on each section will give you the benefit of improving the skills. You can click on IELTS practice test. These tests will be updated every month by British Council, so you'll see new tests. And then when you click on it, there are different sections of the IELTS test. And then you click on section 1. You listen to each section to the end of the conversation. What do I mean by that? For example, in here is a travel safe content, the information, and between is the conversation between 2 people that you listen to decide. And the speakers always change their answers a couple of times. It is not a trick, it is the style of section 1. Therefore, to get the answer, you need to always listen to the end of the conversation before you decide and then catch the answer. This website is absolutely practical because it's free. It's excellent for you guys to take advantage of that. And then you can check your answers after you practice. One tip that I can always suggest to students is when you practice and you realize you made a mistake, try the test again with the answers on and try to understand why you made a mistake. Something very important to emphasize on is for IELTS listening section, you need to have correct spelling practice. So if you are not really great in spelling, more than couple of practices, basically like any paragraph that you can find, you can just look at the words and copy the words, rewrite the words. By practicing, your spelling will improve. Anything you don't know, check the dictionary or the Google dictionary as well to check the spelling. In IELTS listening, if you have one letter wrong in the answers that you write, the whole answer will be wrong. So make sure that you practice without having the correct answers. You can play
Section 1.
The listening section.
You will hear a woman calling an insurance company.
So you hear it, you can practice it a couple of times, and You listen to it not more than once, and then after that, you can check your answers. If you find a mistake with the answers on, try to realize why you made a mistake. So the technique for section one, once again, is always listen to the end of the conversation before you decide what you're going to say. Make sure you subscribe this video and follow the link. Share that with your friends and like for further videos. See you next time.